Assalamu alaikum. The global COVID-19 pandemic has made us face yet another Shahr Ramadan indoors and away from our beloved Imam Bargahs. Alhamdulillah, NASIMCO, the North American Shia Ithna Ashari Muslim Communities Organization, has once again responded to the needs of the community with online Islamic programming every single weekend during the holy month to cater to the entire family. Please join me, Zakira Shyrose Jaffer Dhalla, every Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, for an Islamic puppet show on various themes such as charity, akhlaq, nabuwat, and imamat, and family lectures featuring tafsir on the fascinating story of Nabi Dawood alayhi salam and Nabi Sulaiman alayhi salam from the Holy Quran. So this Shahr Ramadan, gather the entire family. Tune in to NASIMCO's YouTube channel or simply download the NASIMCO app and watch together, smile together, and learn together.